I'm Pete Wines. I hate sugar. Gotta go back to being my boyish self, so I'm gonna pop a couple pills. Ecstasy. Testosterone. But you know, play bass, take pictures of my pen, have an awesome dog named Hemingway. Look, I moved to a different area. Woo, yeah, that's because I'm the sexy Pete Wines. Brain. And you know, got my hair, got a little flippy thing going, wear a girly hat. See, look, woo, I'm awesome. Yeah, motherfuckers. Well, whatever. I'm gonna go for now. You keep in touch, motherfuckers. I'm gonna go smoke some Joe's weed now. Okay, peace out, motherfuckers.